How to set up a PayPal wallet. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your PayPal wallet in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the PayPal app. Now once you are in, tap the wallet at the bottom right here. Now you can see add credit cards. Tap on it. Now to start using your wallet, you need to link a bank account, a debit card or credit card. Now to link your bank account, you can tap on this banks, or you can just tap on this debit and credit cards, and you can tap on enter your card info. Just tap on it, and here you can enter your card number. Just enter it, and once you enter it, tap on link card, and that's it. Your PayPal wallet is all set up and ready to go. You can now send money, receive payments, shop online, and more all in one place. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.